Like a Sprinter, but better. I agree. It's the big day today. Check it out. This is their courtesy vehicle. That's really nice of them. I'm gonna hang out here for the installation, and I told Brooke, if you get bored, they got a courtesy car. I even asked right away, and they have one. Is this the worst roof you ever seen, man?
Pretty bad.
Okay, for video purposes.
Pretty bad.
There you go.
But we can work around it, and what we'll be able to do is add liquid sealant from the inside and just not put any screws through this section. Usually this whole roof's held down with 280 screws or something, but we'll have to just leave a few sections where we don't put screws through, or I'll run a longer screw, but it'll all be sealed up by the end. It'll be fine.
I told them, do what you gotta do. You guys are the experts. I trust you. But yeah, worst roof ever. I gotta have the worst something or best something ever. I'll take something. There, we got a straight up hole right here. I just told them, do what you gotta do, man. Roof is cut. Less than 1 hour in, roof's already off. Look how horrible my roof is with the tape and rubber. I have the title of worst roof ever. I have to for the channel, right? There you go, roof off. I try to be the channel that shares things that most people don't care about, but the 4 of you that do care about this sort of thing, I will get this weighed for you guys. I did a before and I will do the after. No forklift needed. There it is right there. Less than 2 hours in, and they're already screwing in the roof, and the boss is working. That's always cool when the boss works. What to expect? You want to get a high top roof. Who's going down here next? If you're wondering, yes, you could step on the high top roof. They're putting in the skylight right now. Nice.
Open. Yeah. All right.
No more drive-thrus. Eat healthier. Eat at Subway now.
That's right.
On the road. They even measured it for me. 9 feet 9 inches at the tallest with the fan open. These bikes are Aiden's collection. Some high-class bikes here. I believe that one's all-wheel drive. Some good old made in America bikes here. Why am I going with these guys over the competition? I do like the look of standard roof vans over high top roof vans, but I do think the Tufport roof that these guys install looks better than the competition. That's one of the big ones for me. So the other roofs, they look really plain, but at least these, there's some variations to the design. There's a little things that I appreciate, like this little line coming across right here. The roof height changes a little bit coming towards the back. And then there's the weight. The competition's roof weighs 600 pounds. This roof weighs 168 pounds. You saw them carry it with people and not a forklift. And I'll get the van weight after this, but the fan, the add-ons, the windows, the skylight might add a little weight to it, but I will get it weighed for you guys that appreciate it. And the big one for me is that their staff actually reached out to me. That means a lot to me. I've been talking about lifted vans for 13 years now. Started doing lifted van meets, started off slow. One person showed up at the first one, 2 people showed up at the second one, and then for a while 5 people showed up, then 7, then the last 3, 20 people showed up. And I appreciate the fact that they recognize what I've been doing at the meets and actually messaged me. So that meant a lot to me, because I have worked hard on my channel for all these years and I care about this. And they drive vans. This is one of the staff's vans right here, and it's lifted. It has the prototype fender on it, fender flare, Action Van Ultimate lift on it. So he got the first set of fender flares. I believe Bushwhacker stopped making them, and theirs is even wider than Bushwhacker's. So I think that's really cool that their staff actually drives what they're creating. Action Van Ultimate lift on this van. This van's from Georgia. U-joint 4x4, $30,000 conversion. If you got the money, do it. Top of the line right here. They even make a 2-wheel drive lift kit. Same components, dummy axle, but all the proper hardware to convert to 4-wheel drive. You just need the axle, 4-wheel drive axle, and a transfer case to complete it. So start off spending 13 to 20 grand and then put another 10 grand in if you want to go 4-wheel drive eventually. The OG, I think Quigley's been around since the 1960s. The Quigley looks. I know some of you really like it when I show how everything looks under the van. The tall roof, that's what makes Sprinters look so big. My van reminds me of a Sprinter now. Reminds me of a Sprinter now. Like a Sprinter but better. Like a Sprinter but better, I agree. This is a nice touch. They measure the van for you. 9 feet 9 inches tall now. A quick preview of the interior. Stay tuned for initial impressions. All my sheets are under the sleeping bag, so when I got this van back, I went ahead and cleaned up a little bit, folded up the sheets. I was still crouching down like this. I keep forgetting I could stand up straight. 2 awning windows in Utah right now. I like it here a lot. The other side, nice cross breeze. And these awning windows are a lot nicer than I expected them to be. Look at that. I did not expect that. Real classy. I feel like this is too nice for me. I feel like it belongs in that Sprinter. Did you just get your high top roof installed by Wasatch Overland? And you're new to Utah and you have no idea where to go? Check out Antelope Island. It's about 45 minutes away from Wasatch Overland. It's about $30 a night to camp out here. I had no idea where to go, but Brooke is the one with the sense of direction, and she found this place for us. If it wasn't for her, it would be Pilot Flying J truck stop camping again. This is our spot for the day. Flying J camping. 4 hours away from Salt Lake. It's exactly what it sounds like. You're on an island with buffalo. So that's the beach right there. Really nice out here. This is what it's all about. I know this is why you put money in your van, to look for spots like this. You could get a cottage, but you don't want a cottage. You just got a high top roof for your van. This right here is my vision for having a van, just going to places like this. Wasatch Overland. I'm filming bison, utilizing my awning window. I'm about to be a bad influence right now. It's my buddy Arthur's van. I'm about to show him my high top roof. Alright, Arthur got to go inside of it. Are you next, man?
Bro, I need one. I need to drive to Utah. We'll mob it out there.
Shoot, I'll go again.
Yeah.
I want to go to Utah again. Utah was cool, but there you go, man. Picture this with the high top. I did not want to drill through my new roof, and I see how he did it. So I'm gonna ask him for the parts. So I'm gonna copy that. Now I don't have to drill my roof. Now I feel better. So that's why we do what we do and just show each other our vans, man. I'm copying that and getting some Beijing designs. I'm always chatting about vans with this guy on Instagram. So I told him when I get back from Utah, I'll be a bad influence and show you my high top. Now he wants one. That's what I like to hear. And if there's anyone in San Diego, let me know. I'll show you my van. Let's have a San Diego meet. Edwin, he just contacted me. I told him maybe I'll do a San Diego meet so you could check out some vans. Anyone new to this hobby, I'm more than happy to show you guys what I have if it inspires you guys. That's why I visited Arthur right now. And then look, now I know how to wire my lights. About to pick up some Beijing designs for that light bar now. Now that I saw how he did it, I like that style. I didn't want to drill my roof, but I saw his style. He didn't have to drill his roof. Needs a lift kit. I know you guys missed that line. There you go, Ryan. Needs a lift kit.